it's me, Teacher Gon. In today's video, we will talk about the geometric series. By the way, if we define the words geometric series, it refers to the sum of the terms of a given geometric sequence. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So, by the way guys, for us to solve for the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence or the geometric series, we need to use this formula. By the way, this formula is used for a geometric sequence wherein we will deal with the finite terms. Again, finite terms. And this is the formula. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. This formula is for the sum of a geometric sequence. Now, your S sub n is the sum of the first n terms, and a sub 1 is basically the first term, n is the number of terms, while r is equal to the common ratio. Now, let's talk about this topic, and let us use this formula to solve the first problem. For the first problem, we're given find the sum of the first 5 terms. We are asked to find the first 5 terms of the geometric series 6, 12, 24. So we are asked for the first 5 terms. 5 terms. Meaning, we're bound to solve for S sub 5. Again, we need to find S sub 5. So here, we will use the formula a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. Okay? So we need to figure out first what are the values of the elements in this given formula. First, for the a sub 1, our a sub 1 is the first term, which is 6. Okay? Now, for the value of r, as for the value of r, we need to divide the second term by the first term. R is equal to 12 over 2. And as you can, over 6, sorry. As you can see, your r is equal to 2 because 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So your common ratio is equal to 2. How about the value of n? N here is the number of terms. Since we're asked for the sum of the first 5 terms, definitely guys, we will use n is equal to 5 because we're bound to find the first 5 terms of the given geometric sequence. So if you're done breaking the value of a sub 1, r, and n, we're ready to use this formula. So let's try. S sub 5 is equal to a sub 1, which is 6, your first term, times 1 minus your r, which is 2, and then your n is equal to 5, that is 2 raised to 5, over, again, over 1 minus your r, which is 2. Now, let's continue. And we need to figure out or to simplify first the expression inside the parentheses. This is S sub 5 is equal to 6 times 1 minus your 2 raised to 5. Our 2 raised to 5 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this is equal to 32. Okay? 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Times 2, 32. So our 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. So that is minus 32 over 1 minus 2. That will give you negative 1. Next, let us continue. S sub 5 is equal to 6 times 1 minus 32. That will give you negative 31 over negative 1. And to simplify this, let's continue. Your 6 s of 5 is equal to your 6 times negative 31. 6 times 1, this is 6. 6 times negative 8, negative 3, that is negative 18. Okay? Okay. So we have here, for 6 times negative 31, that is negative 186 over negative 1. And if we divide these two numbers, one is negative and the other is negative, it will give us the quotient of a positive number. So our S of 5 is equal to negative 186 divided by negative 1. That is 186 or positive 186. So this is the sum of the first 5 terms of the given sequence. Okay, the answer is 186. Now if we try, if you try to calculate this one, ang gagawin mo naman is all you need to do, sa akin lang you can do it manually because it's too little pa naman. So first we have 6 plus 12 plus 24, and we know that to get the fourth term, 24 times 2, that will give you the answer 48, and plus 48 times 2 because we have to multiply by the common ratio. 48 times 2, that will give you 96. And if you add them, it will give you the sum of 186. So, that's it guys. I hope na nakuha niyo yung first example natin for this topic. And let us continue to solve another problem. Let me erase this one. For us to have the second problem. Again, this formula is to be used for the finite number of terms na kailangan mong hanapin yung sum. So let us continue. Let us continue for this problem. Find the sum of the first 7 terms of a geometric sequence okay, sequence, let me use another marker, sequence, geometric sequence whose first term is 3 and the common ratio is 4. Again, here's our problem. Find the sum of the first 7 terms of a geometric sequence whose first term is 3 and the common ratio is 4. Now, our sequence here, binigyan tayo ng clue. Una, since the first term is equal to 3, your a sub 1 is equal to 3. And the common ratio is 4. Your r is equal to 4. Sir, how about the value of n? Your n, it depends on the number of terms na kailangan natin hanapin. Therefore, your n here is 7 because we have here the first 7 terms. Okay, the first 7 terms. Now, using the formula, S of n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. Let's continue. Let's substitute these values. This is S sub 7 is equal to your a sub 1, which is 3, times 1 minus your common ratio is 4, okay, raised to 7 over 1 minus 4. Okay? So, it's quite big, guys. Medyo malaki yung ating value ngayon. Now, if we will use the calculator, continue lang natin Same process, we will solve this first. Your S sub 7 is equal to 3 times 1 minus yung 4 raised to 7 natin, that is equivalent to 16,384. Para makuha nyo to, guys, all you need to do is to multiply 4 7 times to itself over negative 3. Okay? Negative 3. Now, next thing na kailangan gawin is to subtract this one. You have S sub 7 is equal to 3. Okay? Okay, wait. Your A sub 1 is 7. Okay, so we have here 3. And then 1 minus 16,384. That is times negative 383 over negative 3. Actually, guys, we can cancel out this one. Ito. As you can see, di ba pares silang 3. So, gawin natin dito, cancel na natin to, maka-cancel to, matitira na lang ay negative 1. So, pag divide natin to, mangyayari dyan is S7 is equal to negative 16,383 over negative 1. And pag divide mo naman, di ba, it will become positive. So that this is S sub 7 is equal to positive 16,383. This is our answer for item number, for example number 2. The sum of the first 7 terms of a given geometric sequence with the first term, which is 3, and the common ratio of 4, okay, is equal to 16,383. So, I hope, guys, na natutunan mo yung video natin about geometric series. Okay? So, I hope mapanood mo yung mga videos natin starting from the arithmetic sequence up to the geometric series. So, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit na rin yung bell button for you to be updated sa ating latest uploads. Again, it's me, Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!